Okay, everyone. So say you have a Volkswagen or an Audi product that comes into your shop and you want to use your scan tool to reset the oil change interval. Your Alldata scanner can perform this function. On most Audi or Volkswagen products, this reset resides in the instrument cluster module. To do this, go into the instrument cluster module. You choose instrument cluster right here. You're going to hit apply. That's going to take you into the module. From here, where you want to go is to system test. In the second window, you can see on my screen here that this oil change is due in 5,600 miles or 275 days. The interval on this after reset is 6,300 miles and 365 days. So you can see that this car has been out on the road for 90 days already. If I wanted to reset this, I choose SRI reset right here, and then I choose initiate test. It's going to come up with a disclaimer. If you read that disclaimer and decide you want to move on, hit next, and you can see it's initializing the module, and it's writing the reset interval. Now you can see on my screen there it reset to 6,300 miles in 365 days. Now, say I wanted to set it back to where it was. I can go into this SRI reset, not the one labeled as quick inspection, but the one just labeled SRI. These functions both reset oil life, but offer different options. First, initiate the test. You can see it's initialized in the module. It's going to come up with that disclaimer again. I'm going to hit next. And now I have distance driven from inspection or time from inspection. Now I can also do that reset right here. It's really just personal preference on which function you go into to do the resets. The quick one is exactly that, quicker. But at times you need more functionality. Now, say I wanted to change the distance driven. So it went from 5,600 to 6,300. Now it does do it in kilometers, but that's about 1,000 kilometers. So I'm going to put in 1,000 here, and now you'll see on my screen it switched to 5,600. Now, say I wanted to get it back down to 275 days. So go to time from inspection, and this really means how long it's been since it's been reset. I'm going to put in 90 days, and that's going to get me back to where we were when we started, 5,600 miles in 275 days. So that is a basic rundown of an oil life reset on an Audi or Volkswagen product.